Hello friends, welcome back. Today I have come with a new question, and today's question is two solid spheres of radii 1 centimeter and 6 centimeter are melted, and a hollow sphere with an outer radius of 9 centimeter is made. Determine the inner radius of the new hollow sphere. Here, two solid spheres of radii 1 centimeter and 6 centimeter are given, and we have melted these two spheres into a hollow sphere. And we know that in a hollow sphere there are two radii, inner radius and outer radius, and out of these two radius one is given, that is outer radius of the hollow sphere is given, that is 9 centimeter. And now here we have to find the inner radius of the hollow sphere. So without any delay, let us begin the solution. Here I have drawn the pictures of three spheres, and these are the two solid spheres which are being melted so that their volumes will be added. And after melting these, a new hollow sphere is being made, and so this is the hollow sphere. Here the radius of this small sphere is 1 centimeter, and that of this larger sphere is 6 centimeter. And after melting this, we have made a hollow sphere. And we know that in a hollow sphere there are two radii, inner radius and outer radius. Suppose this is the outer radius, which is capital R, and this is inner radius, which is small r. And here the volumes of sum of the volumes of this two sphere is equal to the volume of this hollow sphere. Here the sum of the volumes of these two spheres, these two given spheres, we have to add the volumes of these two spheres, and this will be equal to the volume of this hollow sphere, volume of this hollow sphere. And it is given by the question that the outer radius of this hollow sphere, outer radius capital R of this hollow sphere is given, which is 9 centimeter. And here we have to find the inner radius of this hollow sphere, which is small r. Here are the volumes of these two given spheres. We can find the volumes of these two given spheres of given radii. So first of all, the volume of the sphere of radius 1 centimeter is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, where radius is 1 centimeter. And similarly, the volume of the sphere of radius 6 centimeter, the volume of the sphere of radius 6 centimeter. The radius of the smaller sphere is given, that is 1 centimeter. So its volume is 4 upon 3 pi into 1 cube. And the volume of the sphere of radius 6 centimeter is equal to 4 upon 3 pi 6 cube. So we have got the volumes of these two given solid spheres. For this sphere, its volume is this, and for this is the volume. Now the sum of these two volumes of these two spheres is equal to the volume of the hollow sphere. And in the case of this hollow sphere, outer radius is given, that is 9 centimeter. We have to find the inner radius, which is r. So let us suppose that the inner radius of this hollow sphere is r centimeter. Suppose r be the inner radius of the hollow sphere. Hollow sphere. R be the inner radius of this hollow sphere. Then its volume is equal to, then its volume is given by 4 upon 3 pi into capital R cube minus small r cube. And it is given by the equation the value of this outer radius capital R is 9 centimeter. So we can replace this capital R with 9. So it becomes 4 upon 3 pi 9 cube minus r cube. Now we have to compare the sum of the volumes of these two spheres with the volume of this hollow sphere. Now sum of the volumes of these two given spheres is equal to the volume of the hollow sphere. So this gives 4 upon 3 pi into 9 cube minus r cube is equal to 4 upon 3 pi into 1 cube plus 4 upon 3 pi into 6 cube. And in the right hand side we can take this 4 upon 3 pi as common, and this gives 4 upon 3 pi, and within bracket there remains 1 cube plus 6 cube. But the left hand side remains same, 4 upon 3 pi 9 cube minus r cube. Here we can cancel 4 upon 3 with 4 upon 3 and pi with pi on both the sides, and after this we get 9 cube minus r cube is equal to 1 cube plus 6 cube. 1 cube plus 6 cube. And in the next line 9 cube is 729 minus r cube is also there. 1 cube is 1 plus 6 cube is 260. And in the next line it becomes 729 minus r cube, and this is equal to 217. And in the next line we can take minus r cube to the right hand side and 217 to the left hand side, and this gives 729 minus 217 in the left hand side, and in the right hand side there is plus r cube, because we have taken minus r cube to the right hand side and plus 207 to the left hand side. Now the difference of 729 and 217 is 512. So we can change the sides, and this gives r cube is equal to 512. And now from this we have to find the value of r, and this gives r cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 64, because their product is 512. And in the next line it becomes r cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, and for 64 we can write 4 into 4 into 4, and this is equal to, there are 3 2's, we can write 2 cube into 4 cube, because there are 3 4's, and this gives r cube is equal to 2 into 4 whole cube, and r cube is equal to 2 4 is 8 cube. We can cancel their powers on both sides, and this gives r is equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, the inner radius of the hollow sphere, the inner radius of the hollow sphere, which is made by melting two given solid spheres of radius 1 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and the inner radius is 8 centimeter, and this is the solution to this problem. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also to follow my page. Bye bye, take care, have a good time.